and welcome to our channel Creative Learning Hub. Today, we are going to talk about prepositions, which are essential components of the English language. They are used to indicate the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun or pronoun to another part of a sentence. They are typically used to show location, direction, time, or manner. Some common examples of prepositions are in, on, at, under, with, and to. Types of prepositions. There are several types of prepositions that are used in the English language. 1. Simple prepositions. 2. Compound prepositions. 3. Phrasal prepositions. 4. Participial prepositions. Simple prepositions are single-word prepositions that are used to show a relationship between two parts of a sentence. Examples of simple prepositions include in, on, at, by, for, to, and with. Compound prepositions are prepositions that are made up of two or more words. Examples of compound prepositions include according to, in spite of, in front of, and on behalf of. Phrasal prepositions are made up of two or more words and are used to indicate a relationship between two parts of a sentence. Examples of phrasal prepositions include in front of, in the middle of, and on top of. Participial prepositions are formed by using a participle and a preposition together. Examples of participial prepositions include concerning, during, and including. Usage of prepositions. Prepositions are used to connect nouns and pronouns to other parts of a sentence, and they are used to show the relationship between those nouns and pronouns and the rest of the sentence. Prepositions are commonly used to indicate location, direction, time, and manner. For example, in the sentence "the book is on the table," the preposition on is used to indicate the location of the book. In the sentence "she walked to the park," the preposition to is used to indicate the direction of her walk. Common mistakes with prepositions. Prepositions are often misused in the English language, and this can lead to confusion and miscommunication. Here are some common mistakes that people make with prepositions. Using the wrong preposition can completely change the meaning of a sentence. For example, saying "I am on the bus" means that you are physically on top of the bus, whereas saying "I am in the bus" means that you are inside the bus. Using too many prepositions in a sentence can make it difficult to understand. For example, saying "he went to the store with the intention of buying some milk" can be simplified to "he went to the store to buy some milk." Conclusion. Prepositions are essential components of the English language, and they are used to show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and the rest of a sentence. There are several types of prepositions, and they are commonly used to indicate location, direction, time, and manner. Understanding the proper usage of prepositions can help to improve your English language skills and avoid common mistakes.